Hello everyone, here we have the TAARNA from the Heavy Metal movie. This was printed on a Anycubic Mono X, link in the description. This was an old video I did. I was still learning how to print back then, so the detail's not as sharp as my current prints. I now print on a Anycubic Max M3. This STL was from a Patreon I used to belong to from Francis QS. Link in the description. Here we have the base. I've already put a bunch of the pieces together and done some putty work. Some is still needed. There's a lot of detail on this base. It's really good, really nice base. On the base there's the Lochnar, the sphere. The smoke is really nice, little detailed shapes and faces in the smoke. Be a real nice piece to do washes and dry brushing on. I printed this solid back then. I was printing everything solid. It's very heavy. This STL has two heads. I've only printed the first head. This head here is closed mouth, more of a firm face. The other head has a grinning, showing her teeth. On the body here, a lot of detail, a lot of texture. Very nice. It's pretty close to the costume in the movie. Here we have the bottom. I use Tamiya fine primer for most of my primers, and I like to have all the colors: pink, gray, there's an oxide brown, or is it oxide red, and I like to use different colors depending on what the base coat is going to be. This is printed at 1/6 scale. Gloves are very well done. This is the middle piece. So this is a switch out, so you can choose between the two. It's kind of like a cape slash skirt. It's very nice. The detail on the legs is very nice. It's difficult to print stuff like this where there's textures everywhere, because where you're going to put the supports, it can be difficult finding the right position, that there be as little as possible support damage. I try to put the supports either on the pegs or where the pegs insert, and position the piece in an angle that it's still going to be able to print. But sometimes you just can't avoid supports touching textures. Here we have the hand that holds the sword. I've already put a pin in it. These are the front pieces of her hair, like her bangs. I didn't glue them on yet, so that way I can paint her face better and then put them in after. I'll have to do some putty touch-up. Here we have shoulder pads and knee pad. And here's the sword. I've already drilled the hole through there. As you can see, I did break the surface there, so I will have to go back and putty that and fix that part. And then here's just a little skull that goes on the base. And with that, here is the turnaround.